All right, welcome back to a new day here, Money Makers. One more day before Christmas. I hope you guys did your Christmas shopping. By now, you should have your Christmas tree up and all that. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys about Brain Panels. And so, Brain Active Panel is a global network of online communities made of people who share opinions about the products and services that are part of their daily life in exchange for various types of rewards. So, if you are interested in shaping the future of USA and making extra income at the same time, you are in the right place. So, click the button below to get started here. So, basically, you can join there to start making money. Um, let's see. Don't know. Yeah, it looks like it's online survey. So anywhere from like $20 to $30 a month, you can start getting money. You probably won't make much from this, but I talk about a whole lot of a lot of other things on my channel, a whole lot of other money making tips and tricks and surveys and platform that you can make money. So really look into those things if you can get into the things that I'm talking about today. So here you want to click the sign up button, and then once you need to click on here. Okay. Don't know why it's doing that. But this is a way for you to sign up here. Let's see. Don't know why they don't. Okay. Okay, I see. So, don't know why they don't have that here. They should. I guess you can email them here and see if they will let you in. But they should. Yeah, here we go. So members support at brainactivepanels.com. So if you email them and give them your name and information and try to figure out why they don't have the sign up button, it's weird to me. Oh, well, I just discovered something new here. I guess they're closed for my country. I didn't know that. But that doesn't stop you from there. You have to take that one step extra to actually start making money. So what you're going to do is you're going to email these people and see when they're going to be opening their registration again, because I'm sure they're not going to keep it closed all year round. It's probably just temporarily. But email them, see if you can get in, maybe if they can even register you. Tell them that you like the website, you want to, do surveys for them, and hopefully, in the future when they reopen back up the registration panel, then you'll be able to be the first one included. So just because, like I always tell you guys, just because what you see at the surface doesn't mean you can't go behind than what you see at the surface. So if I'm a person that likes to climb, that never climb a mountain before, I'm obviously just going to climb like the bottom part of it and be done. But if I'm that ambitious person, I'm going to take it to the top and keep going until at least I get to the middle of it and say, at least I did that. So that just translates that you have to go beyond and above than what you see on here. But go ahead and email them and see when they will be opening back up. I'm sure they are always taking emails, obviously. But I think you can make about a good $20 to $30 on this website. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you guys later.